Today we are making khichdi, a dish I would encourage everyone to learn. Not only is it super simple to make, but it's also a true pantry recipe. All we need is some rice and lentils, spices and ghee. Cook them together to a porridge-like consistency, and that's it. So on days when you don't have any fresh produce at home or don't have time to go grocery shopping, you can still feed yourself with something nourishing. I'm taking a cup of rice and a cup of lentils. Moong dal is the most common lentil used in khichdi, but you can use anything you like. You can also change the ratio to your liking. This is a very versatile and forgiving recipe. It's supposed to be easy without many rules. After washing the rice and dal, soak them for about 20 minutes, then drain the water. Gently heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. I'd say on medium-low heat. If you want to keep it vegan, you can use oil instead. That's totally fine. Add 3 whole dried red chilies, 1.5 teaspoons cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, about 7 or 8 whole cloves, about 4 or 5 black peppercorns, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/8 teaspoon hing. Cook for about 2 minutes before adding the rice and dal. If you happen to have an onion, you would add it at this point. If you don't, just leave it out. You can also include frozen or fresh vegetables in the khichdi, and this is the point where you would add them. Just throw in anything you like and cook it together. That's the point of this dish. In fact, there's a popular saying in India when we are cooking something more delicate, we say, "Don't make a khichdi of it." But not today. Today we want to learn this masterpiece that will be one of the most useful recipes to know. Cook the onions for about 3 minutes, then add the rice and dal. Stir gently for about a minute, then add 5.5 cups water and 1.5 teaspoons salt. Bring to a boil, turn the heat down to low, cover and simmer very gently for 20 minutes. Yum! So good! If you feel like your khichdi is not cooked yet, or if the water and the grains are separate, just cook it a little more. In India, khichdi is our version of chicken soup, a dish we turn to when someone is feeling unwell or when we need something light and comforting. It's easy to digest, incredibly nourishing, and perfect after a season of heavy eating. Serve khichdi warm. You can top it with a drizzle of extra ghee or enjoy it with some plain yogurt and a side of pickle. It's the ultimate comfort food. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll try this simple and nourishing recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy, delicious meals. See you next time.